Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a temporary network error on Discord, what could cause it, and how to fix it. But first, what does a Discord temporary network error mean? If you receive a temporary network error code on either the Discord app or the web version, it signifies a server outage from Discord's side, meaning users cannot access the platform. It's a short-lived interruption that Discord usually rectifies. But in some cases, there are a few things you can do as a consumer to fix it. The following are some of the common causes of the Discord temporary network error message. The Discord server is down. Like other platforms with millions of users, Discord servers occasionally become overwhelmed by the high volume of requests they receive, leading to a temporary crash. This is the most common cause of Discord network error. Outdated Discord app. Although it's usually a problem on Discord's end, sometimes a temporary network error may arise from an outdated Discord app. Older versions can be buggy and prevent proper server connection. Poor or insufficient internet connection. Another possible reason for a Discord error is weak internet, because without a stable network and speed, Discord servers will not establish a concrete connection. Now, let's look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix the Discord temporary network error. If a Discord server problem is the cause of the network error alert, this is what you can do. First, check the Discord network status via its website or other social media platforms and see if its servers are working. If they are down, wait 15 to 30 minutes and then try again to see if they're running. You could also update the Discord app. To make sure you have the latest version of Discord, follow these steps. Close and reopen the Discord app. Check for recent updates, and if available, install them. If you're using Discord on a mobile device, check your app store for updates. You can also check your internet connection. Your internet may be the culprit, so to mitigate it, here are some options. Conduct a speed test on your internet to determine if it meets Discord's requirements. To comfortably use the platform, you need at least 5 to 10 megabytes per second. Upgrade your internet package if need be. Reboot your router. Thanks for watching.